We've all heard the term global citizen or cosmopolitanism, but have we really made an in-depth analysis of what this term means? The most common response, or the one you've probably heard, is that we are all citizens of the world, meaning that we should all have the same rights and be treated equally. However, this term goes way past this simple answer. On one hand, the term global clearly makes reference to the Earth, the globe, which we all inhabit. On the other, citizen, according to the dictionary, means a legally recognized subject or national of a state, either native or naturalized. This last phrase is key to understand the concept of global citizenship as a whole. In fact, as citizens, we all share in common the fact that we are subdued to power, meaning that governments all over the world dictate rules and laws we have to follow in order to be recognized as citizens of each country. However, I'm convinced that we should not leave everything in the hands of these world leaders. As citizens, we should all be united in solidarity and confront the abuses and sufferings of other equal individuals, regardless of their country. This aid is often hampered by the difference that lay between citizens all over the world, such as race, gender, religion, and nationality. In these past years, we have all seen how minorities have found a way to overcome the oppression and discrimination they face through the emancipation and union of their culture. But this is only made locally, which leads them to strongly difference and separate themselves from the rest, especially their oppressors. This is a completely logical human behavior when people find themselves in these situations, but it is not helpful to achieve what we all call cosmopolitanism. In fact, to do so, we should all overcome concepts such as race, class, culture, and gender, because these are only social constructs that have prevented humans from recognizing each other just as equals. This is what global citizenship is about to me, about recognizing each other not through these terms that have only segregated and pitted us against each other, but just as humans. It is fundamental for us to embrace each individual's own potentialities and qualities, but not opposing them or making them compete against each other, because this is where global citizenship breaks, when we focus so much on differentiating us one from another that we forget we're all the same, instead of looking for the better future and human progress. This better future I'm talking about, that we all so deeply desire, is going to arrive when we all, together as humans, become global citizens and challenge ourselves to achieve the impossible, to eradicate global problems that are not only the ones that may affect us in a global way, such as climate change, but also the ones that may not affect us directly, maybe poverty or discrimination, but that are the ones that, because they are ignored, are preventing us from achieving a fair and equal society in which we are all able to look at each other just as humans. This may sound like an utopia, and maybe you'll say, there is no way there are enough people that can agree and take a plan of action that actually works. Or maybe you have the will, but you're skeptical about how are your actions going to make a difference. Well, I am here to tell you that your actions, but most importantly, your will to act upon these issues, are key to achieve the goals we all have. Utopia's purpose is to cause us to advance, and if we all commit, organize, and set our minds to something, we will achieve it, I'm sure. So, now I'm asking you, are you willing to become a global citizen?